Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be giving a tutorial on how to all of the sound blocks in Scratch. So all the sound blocks are all of it's lagging a lot. Okay, there's this, there's this one, there's this one, there's this one, there's this one, this one, and that little thing down at the bottom of it. And so the first thing I'm going to start off with is I'm actually going to start off with this little box because it's the easiest thing to understand. So you can drag this out. You can drag that out. And so what it is it is a variable. So it's a variable named volume. And if you tick this box right there, you can see the volume of it. And currently, well, I don't know why it's showing 10, but currently there's no volume at all. So, the first three, actually no, I'm going to explain this one. So, what it does is it plays this sound until it's done. So, if I run this, I have to do when the green flag is clicked, play that sound. You can hear that the cat scream. So it plays until it's done. Now, if I stop, okay, if I do this one, start sound now. So this is different to that one, and by the way, you can choose different sounds. So if you click on that box, like if you click on the drop-down menu, there's different ones. Actually, what I'm going to do is I might record one just to show you how it looks. So up here, there's different tabs, and if you click on the sounds tab over here, it goes to the sound area. And so here it is. Wow, that was a lot of lag. And if I click, and there's all sorts of options here. And I can also add new sounds in. So go down here, and then go to. I can record a sound. I can choose a sound from the library. I can upload a sound right there. And so if you choose a sound from the library, it gives you all sorts of noises. For example, there's a bass, an electric bass, an electric guitar, an electric piano, guitar, blah, 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 all of them. And I'm just going to wait until this loads. Okay, so if you hover above it, not even click it, it plays the sound. There's a bass, it's electric guitar, electric piano, and you can just hear all of the. I might just choose. What's it? I'm gonna choose that one. Okay, and so you can choose one, and then if you do here, play. So and then you can do so that's what that and you can mute it, so that's no sound at all. And then I just break it. Please, yeah, it's just muted right now. So if I unmute this, unmute. Can I unmute? Okay, I think I just broke this. Alright, I'm gonna delete the chill thing. Okay, and you can also record a new one. So if I go into here and then I click record, we need your permission to use computer. Use microphone allow. And then 3, 2, 1. Hello. Oops. And then you can choose how much of it you want here. And let it go. Oh wow, this system is so laggy today. Okay, please. Ooh, what's this? That's this sound. I want to record a sound. Where did my hello go? Hello. Okay, I want. Please work. Thank you. And if I could play. Yep. Okay, it's recording my voice. So, and then I'm gonna click save. And here you go. It's called itself recording one. And there's my voice. Okay, now I'm gonna go into code, and then now I can select a different one. So that will be. Yeah. So that's what I recorded. So the next block is. Sorry, this is the block we're talking about. So what this one does is it starts the sound, but it doesn't play it to the end. So let's say if let's say I repeat this 10 times. So you'll see that it doesn't play it fully. Stop. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Let's repeat. So it starts, but it's not working. Okay, so it starts it, but it doesn't go until the end of it. So as you can see in the repeat, like this forever bit before. Oh wow. One. No. I don't want the repeat 10 times. Go to the trash. Okay. Now, so but then it's not completing the full meow. So it only starts it and doesn't end it to the end. And this one, it should be quite it should be quite obvious. It just stops all sounds. So like every sound that's in play, I was still doing that. Why is it doing that? Go to meow. Yeah, go. The lag in this system. Wow, this is insane. Okay, did it go to meow? Okay, that one went to meow. This one needs to meow. Okay, so this one's meow. Yeah, it plays sound meow until done, and then after it's done that, it stops all sound. But if I replace this block with the start sound meow, you should only be able to hear it for like 1 second. So yeah, it started and then stopped. Can you guys hear that? It's like, okay. So it starts it doesn't fully play it. Okay. So that's what that means. Now, change pitch effect by 10. Okay, and there's also different ones. So there's pitch, there's pan, left and right. So let's try this out. Let's do change pitch effect by 10. Let's make it change pitch effect by 100 just to see what it does. Okay, so if you make it higher, then it makes it more squeaky. Like you can see how let's do this 1,000. Extra 0. Come on, please. Work. Okay, thank you. Now if I click play. Oh wow, that is so. You can barely hear that. Okay. And then if I do minus 100, however, that'll make it lower. Like, wow. I don't know. So let's do minus 10,000. Alright, let's try. Yeah, can you guys hear that? Can you hear it? I don't think you can. Wait, whoa, that's so low. Okay, let's make this 100. Like you can see, like it's like okay, that's change pitch effect. If I do pan left and right, I honestly do not know what this one does. Hello, it's completely. I don't get it. Okay, I think that's just. I honestly have no idea what that does. Okay, moving on to the next block, which is clear sound effects. So if we had change pitch effect. Oh wow, that's a mess. Change pitch effect by that. Set blah 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 to that. Oh, and also, actually, I forgot. There's this set block. So what that set block does is it instantly changes it to 100. It doesn't add 10. This one adds 10 to it, like it changes the pitch effect, but this one just instantly sets it. So that's the difference. And also this one has different options. There's pitch and pan left and right, which I have no idea what that does. Now, can I please drag some blocks around? Thank you. Okay. Oh, why did I get rid of those? Okay, let's say I had all of these things right here. Let's say I had all of those. And then if I have this clear sound effects thing, so let's do change pitch effect by 100. And if I play it, it's completely normal. That's because I use this block called clear all sound effects. What that does is it clears all of these effects. So these two blocks, they are called effects, and also this block right here, that's also called an effect. So let's change volume by however much. So this volume one, it just increases volume or whatever. That makes it louder. And then if I do minus, please work. Please. Thank you. Okay. Minus 1000, you can barely hear it. You can't hear it, actually, because let's do minus 10. And you can't hear it. Great. Okay, I don't know why that is. But so all of those are sound effects. So it clears them all. And this one set volume to 100%. So that just instantly sets the volume. So let's say 50%. Oh, yeah, and this clear sound effects clears all of those sound effects. So let me get rid of that clear sound effects thing and play it. So, yeah, it sets the volume to like half the volume and plays. Let's do 10%. Okay. Great. So that's okay. And okay. So the next that's it actually. Those are all the blocks. And so if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. And oh, let's see what this does. Let's get rid of the sound effects. Oh, what's this gonna sound like? Oh wow. Okay. That's what it sounds. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. And goodbye. See you in the next video.